Hello everybody, my name is Shay. This is Rustic Goddess Resale, the channel where I teach you guys how to pick up regular items that you can find anywhere and flip them online for a profit. So we have another ThredUP scrap fabric box. I'm obsessed with these boxes. I don't think I've ever gotten one that I couldn't make money on, so very, very happy with them. So I will keep ordering them when I see them. I did look at the very first item on top of this box last night because I couldn't sleep. And I figured, why not? So this is 10 pounds. I paid around $36, $38 with shipping. And let's get into it. So the first item, I saw it on the top and I felt like it was very, very nice feeling. And this is Wilfred with silk in a size small. So that's super nice. It smells, oh my goodness. You know those people that like, they wear so much perfume that you smell them before you see them? That's this lady. It is so strong. Ugh. Like one little spritz is enough, okay? I should have to get close to you to smell your perfume. Anyway, this is Silk Studio for Petites. This is 100% silk. And I think it's a vintage button-up dress. This is pretty. The buttons are really cool. This is a vintage size 6. So as long as I don't find any spots or rips on that, that should be good. I love the feeling of silk. But nowadays they're getting so good with their synthetic fabrics that it's kind of hard to tell if something's actually silk or not. This is just a no brand little like poncho. This would be a cute swim cover up. I don't know. I might take this somewhere to be sold. What is this? This feels nice and heavy. This is a New Balance. Oh yes. A New Balance like mock neck. It looks like a pretty current style, but it's an extra large mock neck little pullover. So best believe I am keeping that. It's like a nice blush color too. This is interesting. Oh wow. Very Y2K. Even like before Y2K, but like, I feel like somebody would buy this now. It's just a really cool purple velvet dress with these really awesome, it's like a zipper down the front. If I can stand back, I don't know if I can show you it with this lighting. This is like the best lighting I could find. Anne Fogarty. I don't know. But just based on style, I bet I could sell this. Some little pinup girl wants that. Let's see, what is this? Cedarwood State 2XL. It looks like a men's shirt. Cedarwood State. It's a little button up. Actually, it would be a lot bigger if it was a 2X, so. I think this is still women's, but it's just a checkered button-up shirt. A pair of pants. They just kind of stick whatever they want in these boxes. These have like a stain on the bottom. I don't know what that is. I'm gonna try to get it out, but these are just Banana Republic little velvet green pants. So as long as the stains come out, it's a size 24 petite, so might be a hard one to sell, but somebody out there is a 24 petite. We still have quite a bit more. This is Zook. I don't know. I feel like I've heard of this brand, but it might be nothing. ZOOC. It's kind of like, I'm not gonna say that that's like lag and look, but it has the nice pockets in the front. I don't know. You could layer that. I don't know what size it is. Let's see if there's a care tag. Okay. It just has like Chinese writing, so I have no idea, but it feels nice. This feels nice. Capulet, which I have heard of. Oops. I have heard of. It looks like these pants have been altered because no one's gonna put a tag right there. But they're these really nice, like, these feel like silk with buttons all the way down the side. Yeah. I'm not sure how I'm gonna sell these because they have been altered down so much and I don't know what the size was. Maybe this is a brand that the Real takes and they will be able to deal with that for me. This is just Cable and Gauge, which is just a boutique brand. So I'll probably be able to take that to Plato's or Style Encore. This looks fun. What are you? It's just like a lace little like swim cover up, but it doesn't have a tag. So I might be able to take that to Plato's Closet. I feel like I'm like paranoid. I feel like I saw something in that box that's like not clothes. Oh, a Juicy Couture jacket, except it doesn't have the zipper pull and it doesn't say like, it doesn't have any like writing on it. So I don't know if I'll be able to sell that or not. It's a size large, but it is very Y2K. So I might be able to sell it for like $10 without the zipper pull. This is Banana Republic, size small. It's just a sheer shirt. I don't see any defects. This is just a scarf, it looks like. No tag, but it's like a cool pattern. This also looks fun. Jones, New York. This is like, I don't know, if we're going to Hawaii, you're gonna need this blazer. It's a size 8, so I don't know, we might list that. It's in pretty good shape, so we shall see on that one. Let's see, Agua. Oh, please. Aqua. It's a size small. I'm assuming this is just a boutique brand or something that might sell it at a department store, but it's like a faux suede. Sometimes, yeah, like there's a stain right here. Sometimes those are so easy to stain and it's probably hard to get out. And this is a Topshop Petite little jumpsuit in a size US 2. This is adorable. It's a nice printed jumpsuit. I will be able to sell that. So that is our box, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know. A lot of vintage. I think obviously I can make my money back on this. So love that. I have never been screwed over by a ThredUP box except when I ordered the DIY designer box. I know that they're not all great. I will order it again if I see it again. I just haven't been able to catch them in a long time. I don't even think I've ever, since I started my channel, have caught it. So anyway, if you like me, if you like videos like this, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and I will catch you in the next one. See ya!